What's good, everybody? Today I'm going to be choosing the winner for the giveaway I'm doing with Funded Futures Family. Going to be giving away 450K Premier accounts. Funded Futures Family is one of the best prop firms out right now, simply because their accounts are probably the best priced in the industry. They have the biggest selection of accounts, so no matter what style you trade, they have something for you. And in my opinion, they have the easiest route to payout. So that's why I like them the most, to be honest. And if you do want to trade with them, if you don't win this giveaway, you just want to trade with them and get a great discount on their accounts, use the code Champagne for that. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna use ChatGPT to pick. So I'm gonna pick two winners from my Instagram comments, and I'm gonna pick two winners from my X comments. So I will be using ChatGPT to do it. Let's see. All right, so I copy and pasted all of the comments from my X post, and the two winners are going to be Marcio and Amber. Shout out to y'all. You've won 150K Premier account on me. And now we're going to do the Instagram comments. All right, so those are the winners, James Pennant and Learner Effects. So I will be checking to make sure all of the winners of the giveaway actually follow the rules. And then from there, I'm going to hit you up for your email. And then we're going to get you a 50K funded account with Funded Futures Family. So shout out to Marcio, shout out to Amber, shout out to James, and shout out to Learner FX. I appreciate everyone who did this giveaway. I love giving back, and I love to see what people do with the opportunity. So I'll be doing a lot more of these. I always do these in my group as well. So if you want to join my group, you can click the link in my bio. But yeah, today starts Q3. So let's see what we get, man. Hopefully we have a good Q3, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.